What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this look using your curling wand. I love these curls. They're like these loose, wavy curls that just kind of switch up my look from my usual straight hair look that I've been doing. And it's really quick and easy to do, so I'm going to show you how I do that today. So I'm going to start by using the Heygorjess Argan Oil of Morocco Dry Shampoo. I love dry shampoo. Ever since I've been wearing my hair straight, it's been amazing because my hair gets kind of greasy and it makes it just a little bit flatter. So this helps to add back some volume and make it look super fresh, like I just got it done. So basically, a dry shampoo works to absorb the extra oils in your hair, and it also smells good and everything. This is just great because it helps me to keep my hairstyle longer and look better and fresher. So you just shake it up, spray it about 10 to 12 inches away from your hair, and then you massage it into your scalp. Okay, so now that's nice and fresh. I have the volume back and the texture is a little bit lighter because it doesn't have those excess oils on it. Now I'm going to start using the curling wand to create these waves. Obviously my hair has already been blow dried and flat ironed, and then I'm going to use the curling wand to add the extra waves. Okay, so this is the curling wand I use, the Conair Infinity Pro curling wand. It's super cheap, it's $20. I like how it's like pointy at the end. This makes them look really good. So I just start right in the front, brush it out. You take the curling wand like this, and you just wrap it around from the root all the way to the point of the barrel. Hold it for a few seconds, not too long, about like 7. And you simply just keep going section by section. You can kind of like, here I just did one section, but here I'm going to separate it a little bit because I want to get down here. So I'm just going to lift this up and get a section down here. Okay, so now that I'm finished wanding, I'm going to use the UI texturizing hairspray. I like this because it's really light. It doesn't make my hair hard or stiff because I don't want, to lose the movement. I don't want to change the soft feel of it, but this just helps to keep the curls in place. So that's it, guys. Super simple, really easy and quick, and it comes out so cute. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.